Bafethu, Amakhanda Panthers South Africa, we are all disappointed in the opening game Bafana lapha ku FIFA World Cup. Asazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni, asazi ukuthi konakele kuphi. All we know that Bafana could be in danger and just maybe miss out on an opportunity to advance to the next round. Mara ke mina noNkulu isikhona lana sizoyi break down le game sibone ukuthi ama mistake ka Hugo Broos abe kuphi, identify ama rooms of improvement, which players can have an impact in the second game, and does Bafana still have a chance. Igama bafethu Mdu Sibeka, welcome to Nkuli versus Mdu. Nkululeko khambani mfana.
Ngimnandi Bram, ngidisappointed asilalanga sibukela Bafana. Yeah, sibonile bafethu ukuthi kwenzakaleni. It's sad, but because we are behind Bafana as much as siba criticize kwesinye isikhathi but because we want the best for them angithi. Sifuna ukuthi bakwazi ukuperform amajita, sifuna ukuthi amajita akwazi ukudeliver, but igame bafethu is disappointed kakhulu. Ama expectations wethu bewa high, especially against Mexico. Sibonile Mexico bafethu ukuthi besokwazi la ukuyishaya eMexico, besokwazi ukukora but ke asikwazanga ukuya phambili mfethu, yabo. So I'm disappointed Mdu, wena ufila kanjani mfethu? Anginawo ne energy, disappointed ngale game le.
Firstly, if bengilalile I'm sure bengizophupha numbers elotho. Ngabe manje ngizibambela i-million or i-billion ngilalile, I missed out on the opportunity yokuthi amadlozi angiphi numbers elotho ngithi let me be behind Bafana. But the first thing I'd like to point out and identify is Hugo Broos uyisabile Mexico. He didn't really believe in his team, Hugo Broos, which is why the approach was more defensive as opposed to be offensive game layer. And in Mexico, on the other hand, bona bebanga isabi Bafana. Like from as listen to this strange as isn't from walking out the tunnel into the ground, Mexico already confident. You could see a posture yabo, the way bebahamba ngakhona, it's as if beseba feel ukuthi le game level yethu sizoyiwina. But when you look at us Tina, ama player wethu from the first whistle Nkulu isn't the best ngahlangani for Bafana. The problem is that I think Hugo Broos uthathe a more defensive approach to the game, whereas he could have maybe attacked instead of defending, and now uforce amajita ukuthi badlale igame abangajwayelanga, igame abangayazi. Umbokazi has never played with 3 center backs. Spies has never played with 3 center backs. I don't even think Ime Akon has played nama center back. You look at him midfield yethu nayo, so kahle kule game we had 8 defenders and 2 strikers. Sure. Uba no feeder lama striker lawo. Ikram Reyners was running up and down angatholi supply yabo, and no Lyle Foster somehow started struggling in the game. So I think as a coach, especially at the opening of the World Cup, it's anyone's game. 2010 we didn't defend against Mexico. See, pound for pound nalabantu laba sababamba to a 1-0 draw, playing local players. Why 2026 16 years later sekumele yonke into ichinche, all of a sudden Mexico isatshwa for in. Well, there's nothing special in Mexico. It's not like in Mexico now yourself game be dangerous. They just played against a team that didn't believe in themselves. They played against a team ebengafuna ukudlala. So I think this loss blame coach, not the players.
Yeah, my player ayikho beyangayenza vele. Well, they had to show up bazame nabo deliver for your team, but mawubheka system, the way the team was structured, we are born ukuthi bokuzoba difficult kakhulu for Bafana ukuthi ithole ama positive results yabo. But now ama player as individuals bebathukile mfethu, ngibaboni bebathuke bonke. Akekho umbokazi ngimbonile umbokazi presence yakhe nalenkani yakhe beyikhona, but amajita amaningi bewathukile kule game le yabo. And once wathuka, you could be the best thing in the world, the best player in the world, but wathuka egamini uphenduka inkomo yabo. Igame ivele ithene against wena. So Hugo nanokuthi anga replace boma second half, but uyabona uFoster mina bengizomkhipha first half. Ngizomkhipha first half.
Sishilo lapha sibhekile ukuthi we need a early substitution.
Ngizame ukushintsha even the formation yabo, because there's nothing special about Mexico mfethu. There's nothing special about Mexico. If bekumele sithole something igame le bekumele sithole something ngayo, because masiya phambili bobona ukuthi singathola something. Khona le moment like amudawo ngama last minute abalanda, uyabona ukuthi manje ba weak nokuba weak ne defense yabo, but because azange sibatheste no goalkeeper wakhona azange simtheste, babapholile nje lapha nemuva yabo. Ama defender wakhona bewadlala ngathi ama midfielders against Bafana ngoku ama star players now. And then heading to the second game, into ezokwenzeka ukuthi yini Czech Republic so kuyi Czechia,
izolo
need a must win game. and bonke abantu egroupini bayabona ukuthi nayi team esingayishaya yabo nayi yabona if khona team esingayishaya ile so nabo futhi ubabonile ama giant ke futhi bona badlala ngama aerial balls so kuzoba difficult kakhulu for ibafana ukuthi ithola ama points because ngibone even neKorea iKorea strong kakhulu
yabo iKorea
strong
bayadlala
baya futhi fast papa kuyamove yabo ba create ama opportunities amaningi and with our defense angazi ukuthi kumele sizame ukuthi defense yethu ibe strong ku next game. But abafana laba khona mele bazame bafethu kuba strong nabo just remember man ukuthi udlalelani because it's bigger than just the occasion. If una 20 una 21 una 22 also na police win udlalela I future contract yakho compete World Cup because baningi abantu ababhekile but disappointing results from for Bafana 60 what the whole continent bebabukele bafethu hate watching Bafana Tina we try to be behind Bafana but ke kunzima ukuthi nathi siba defend.
Mina I think into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo I game plan. As a coach, you always have a game plan. Good no. I plan now, strategy nasi. Gents, you tell your players, good my gents must figure lapa maybe in the first 5 minutes as lalini so. Lana as break so. Final third as break so. You understand? Instead, it seemed as though Coach Mexico was the only one that had a game plan gula game layer. The reason I'm saying this, it was simple. It simple instruction yaga Coach Mexico. Frustrated labantu laba. First 10 minutes, ashani goals ba frustrate. And we really became frustrated. Utebza started being clumsy. Bobona ukuthi Tebo khomkwena na seka kwatile seka dlalisa ngenhliziyo. Aubrey Modiba waphume gaming. Yabona when Aubrey Modiba seka phumile egaming and siyamazi ukuthi defensively akusi strength sakhe like leso is not that strong bebasidla ngaliphi side laka Aubrey Modiba bese babonile ukuthi okay umbobo nawo ngapha asingeneni ngapha then when uThemba Zwane comes on the most controversial moment of the game. Number 1, Hugo Broos had no business playing Themba Zwane in that game. That game was too fast for Themba Zwane. uThemba Zwane asi play really fast. Number 1, natural agasi play really fast. That game was too fast for Themba Zwane. There was no impact to Themba Zwane because Osipa yona kule game line, especially playing him as a substitute. Bekumele Hugo Broos okay sharp we shayile 5-3-2 yakhe maka ebenchini half time. Adonsa ama analyst wakhe, adonsa abo assistant coach bakhe ne technical team yakhe yonke bafethu how do we change the situation? Umuntu oslemu mawula bafethu come on. Sometimes ibhola bafethu like that's why thina sisakhula sisadlala ibhola bebathi ibhola adlala uclever mfana. Uyahlakanipha ukuthi coach labantu laba bashanga transition. Let's play our game. Let's play to our strength. Let's play the way we know Bafana plays. How does Bafana play? Faku Maseko, Faku Apolis, Sibe Nama wing. Faku Mfukeng, let him play as the number 10, Tonsu Foster. Because Foster siyambona ukuthi akekho gamini Tonsu yaya angakatholi nokutholi red card Tonsu yaya msave because already uyaya bese kane caution Tonsu yaya with uTebza it's between uTebza no Jalen Adams ushiye one le game bengasadinga umbatha because umbatha will give you the exact same thing laba are giving you bengasamdingi le game bese idinga kuphela abantu abaya phambili mfana that's why ngithi Maseko pace Ozona Police pace Mfukeng la uya creator uyakwazi ukufida iCram Rainers makarana up and down at least isina chance yabona and then isikhathi masihamba you kill in midfield yakho yonke uyamdonsa nalokugcina example yenu uTebza mawumdonsa uTebza sofaka umremi mawumfaka uthathu aPolice nomfukeng bashaya double number 10 because Orlando Pirates if you notice Ozona Police usually ukhatha in and nomfukeng sekungathi vele badlala as a double number 10 you have Muremi you have Maseko nale double number 10 yakho onale sa striker sakho angithi sofake already ama center back i5 you can always sacrifice umbokazi uthi umbokazi phuma la iba defender iba ilokhunja iba standing 6 some. It seems as though Mbokazi akwazi kudlala. Let these 4 people do the dirty job lapha emuva but Hugo Broos ushawe match reading number 1 kule game le ushawe game plan ushawe also his self belief he didn't really believe in his players he didn't think his players are capable.
Ungene gaming yokuqala ku World Cup ungena ngokudefendelana I think for the first time mina ngibona Bafana attacker ngabantu abayi2 and mawubheka abantu attacker ngabo uno Foster uno Rainers uRainers ugcinene nokudlala for isquad akamthembi nokumthemba angazi maybe udlalisa uqale uRainers lapha because support system support structure ayikho lapha for Rainers ukuthi akwazi ukubamba ibhola njengoba boshilo na ukuthi uRainers bebamshanga ama long ball kumele agijima akalithola ibhola uyaphansi naphezulu uyayikhamba distance so it was sad ukubukela iBafana engadlali bafethu ehlulekayo lapha yabo akuna wing mfethu kuyayibona blonde akuna traditional wing at least unama wing ayi2 also na policeman ngena second half sibonile uyazama ukwenza iplan it was late but uyazama makalibamba ibhola uyambona ukuthi nami ulibambileke lo mjida lo yabo for the first time isikwazi ukuhold ibhola lapha phambili akwazi ukubheka abanye abantu uyazama ukubafeed ukubadlalisa but ungene late umuntu wakhona so imagine if usena police bekanamanye ama player creative lapha na direct bewazokwazi ukulanda lamajida lawa but disappointing results disappointing play for Bafana yeah kube nzima for amajita bafethu but heading to amanye games sobona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani because manje there's nothing to, like they had nothing to lose ba away from home labantu laba yabo they have nothing to lose ba against Mexico and uTebza Mokoena bengexpecte bona ukuthi yabo bakwazi ukuphamisa isandla babe strong bakwazi ukulead amanye amajita because occasion inkulu yabo ngiunderstand nakaza adlala iWorld Cup but uyakwazi ukudlala under pressure isikhathi esiningi namanye amajita but ke labantu abesibathembile ukuthi bekumele balide ibo abasilethe down lapha as for Uyaya Sithole udlala ePortugal umjida yabo so uyi midfielder Bafana udla isiphi istrength sakhe for so mina iquestion yami naye bafethu isiphi istrength sakaya Sithole kuBafana like umbheka as a player ukuthi okay na into Uyaya Sithole usiza la yabo isquad isbenefita la yipi into ayenzayo sisho ukuthi salute yabo khona umuntu embona umbokazi uyambona ukuthi uaggressive uyalwa unalo nto le uyasiza yabo usina police uyambona meka khona uTebza as much as bayangekho that much izolo but siyasazi strength
sakhe
what yini isiphi strength sakaya Sithole and even nalama game lawo esibuya kuwo ngeke ngabuza ngayi ukuthi okay umjida kwenzakalani ngaye yabo because ngibona like amaphutha amaningi even from yena is it because maybe amanye ama player mhlawumbe a guaranteed ukuthi azoba khona se squadini that is why maybe bangalwi enough yabo fana if nguRonwen ngizoba nama mistake ngiyazi ukuthi okay uwashayila ama saves uRonwen but ke ku game sikukhumbula ngento negative yabo
especially if siyadliwa
siyadliwa mfethu sokukhumbula if una mistake ayi3 usave amabhola ayi4 as goalkeeper but uconcede 2 goals angeke siwakhumbule nalawo ma saves sikhumbula iscore line ukuthi besihamba kanjani yabo so mina some of the senior players lapha ngiyaba question esquadini but I mean it's a game of football sometimes ibhola likufavor but yeah it was just sad to watch bafethu yabo ukuthi sihlale ebusuku bafethu size sihambe late sibukele Bafana we expected more unfortunately ke it is what it is we can't change the score line.
Speaking of Uyaya, I just want to talk about Uyaya kancane yabo. Congratulations to Uyaya number 1 for making it this far in his career. And ngizokutshela why ngisho so. Like unfortunately I'm going to have to be a bit congratulations to Uyaya for making it this far ku career yakhe. Takes a lot of luck, not talent to make it to where Uyaya is. Clearly akanayo talent. Clearly Uyaya is not talented. Le position ayidlala amajita ne talent leya you need to be special to play le position ayidlalayo mfana I position edlala bo Busquets leya talent before you can even talk about development nan talent I position edlalwa abo Ngolo Kante lo wase France talent because position ebedlala abo Michael Essien italent lelo mfethu now ngikhuluma ngama player wase Africa you understand iposition ebedlalwa Andile Jali leya talent iposition edlalwa uTebza Mrembula another talented player so I think the biggest issue is Uyaya number 1 akanalo talent I don't know how he made it this far that's why I need congratulations to him nyambongela ukuthi kwazile ukufika lapha he's proof ukuthi you don't need talent to make it in life like we proof you could sometimes if you apply yourself and you work hard uzofika la ufuna ukufika khona respect you understand ungathukane nabo coach so if you want to make it far in life Uyaya as an example ukuthi you just need respect ungaphikisane nabo coach and and apply yourself because there's no way and also I don't put the full blame le red card actually lang blame me and I won I mean the goal ang blame me and I won because Ronan Williams unalento lane of building to the back from the back I think ukhohliwe ukuthi akadlali no Grant Kekana ukhohliwe ukuthi akadlali no Kiano Cupido ukhohliwe ukuthi akuna Marcelo Allende lapha kuno Jaden Adams Mokoena no Uyaya so if akathula umkwena akathula Adams then mela khahle ibhola lise phakathi because laba bayi2 iMexico beyishange high press bese ivalele uMudiba no Didings no no Mudao laphayana kuma flank yabo. So the biggest issue here is this thing of building from the back, and I've spoken about ngalento look builder from the back. When you're playing against a high press team, don't build from the back. The moment you start to trap polo sebala uya ubonile uthi asatha trap polo besebala abantu laba bathatha polo bahamba bayokora. So and the same mistake happened when Mamelodi Sundowns played the Club World Cup against Borussia Dortmund, building from the back. Again, Ronwen Williams uchampa kwasani ufuna ukufeeda la in the middle of the park ntwana angeke. If you are building from the back, you either play nama full back wako. If ama full back wako avaliwe, uyilahlela ngaphakathi ngoba wa pointer ilo kunja yako I central midfielder yako. There's a striker in front of him. There's another midfield in front of him, behind him. And then kona nala mawinga itu bakata in but bamvalele sekeli in baba boy 5. He's gonna lose the ball and then uba under pressure and then ugcina funa ukukhaba kuphela. So nale red card la itholile. Where was Ime Ocon? Where was Nkosinathi Sibisi? Uyaya was caught out of position as amukavela la machita bebaguphi. Nkosinathi Sibisi was not in that game. Nkosinathi Sibisi was lost in that game. Nkosinathi Sibisi kule game le yana bobona ukuthi number 1 is under pressure, number 2 thukile as you said. Bekangana confidence ukungena kule game le. Why play him? Lo mfana lo Makhanya simbonile against Nicaragua. Hugo Bruce unokukutastisa iplayer akubonisa ukuthi le player lelintswembu besangadlalisa. Lo mfana lo dlale kahle lo Makhanya lo, and lo mfana lo Makhanya une advantage yani yokuthi he's not far from Mexico. So meaning some of the players abadlala lapha uyabazi and he's used to playing in front of their crowd layer. Yena nombokazi they would have stood out because sebajwayele ukudlala at that level. Imagine la combination yabo boy2. I don't think could have had wonke lama mistake lawa if laba boy2 bebakhona. And going into the next game, at least no Yaya, we don't have to worry. No Thembazwani, we don't have to worry. Can Hugo Bruce not defend? Aganga defendi. Agayo attack. Mina mfana rather score more goals and concede mara was good to Korile. I don't mind mina winning a 3-2. Ngazi go tokusala lapha phambili scoreile nathi. Because imagine conceding 2 goals and then you can't even score a single goal because when you're defender, strategy sakhe set defense asemsibanelanga.
Asia masingena ke indaba le yama red card because abanye abantu ba confused bayasho ukuthi okay sometimes kwamanye umthetho uthi ususpended 2 games or so laba bathola ama red card kulona ku World Cup ba suspended for 1 game. The last game bazoba khona but leka Thembazwane bazoyibheka ukuthi i-tackle yakhona beyinjani, bazoyireviewer and then babone ukuthi bamsuspend ba add more matches or bazokuzoba nje ilo match e1 kuphela. Kumele basitshele laphana abantu beFIFA esibe wathukile amajita abafowethu but yayiphelile igame like ngeke sisakwazi ukushintsha ama results but yeah I think what we seeing ku World Cup bafowethu inkani ka Hugo Brosi nokuzithathela inqumo zakhe nokungathathi abantu aba qualified
To play at that level.
Yeah. Mfethu ngama performance yazi ekseni ngikhuluma ngobani ngoCM Orlando Pirates ukuthi ubani defender better than yena ku Betway Premiership at the moment yabo.
Alikho.
So why uthatha abanye abantu esibonayo na ukuthi okay usibani why bamthatha ngoba if lo muntu lo une chance yokuwina I defender of the season I mean clearly bekumele ngabe ba selector yena but kuvele kuselectwa abanye abantu. So into engisho mina ukuthi if mntu ngizongiselector la based on ukuthi uniyangithanda not based on umsebenzi wami, so vele ngizozirelaxela ngeke ngisebenze kanzima yabo. So khona abantu bonayo na ukuthi basebenza kanzima and they've endless space less ukuthi babe khona laphana but unfortunately labo bantu abekho. Ubani manje uRonwen like if usikwenye situation manje uRonwen bebazomdropa yabo, umuntu ona mistake bayamdropa
yes.
So umdropa uzobazomdropa na uRonwen no ngeke bamdrop, there's no way.
Again ngizoyiphinda futhi lento engishilo. Congratulations to Hugo Bruce for making it this far. Ngizomcriticize the criticize uya ngakhona. Usibonisile Hugo Bruce ukuthi you don't always have to be tactically sound to make it fine life. You need luck. Hugo Bruce is living proof yokuthi kwezinye izinto idinga inhlanhla. He made it that far ngenhlanhla lomjita. Lama player lawa kawakhethile keep letting him down mara because Hugo Bruce somehow is a very arrogant coach. Ufuna ukuprove thina wrong ama fan. You understand? He's not necessarily trying to give these players a chance to prove themselves. Ufuna ukubonisa thina ama fan ukuthi you are wrong, I'm right. That's the kind of coach that Hugo Bruce is. The reason he will always play Foster, Uyaya, and the reason he will always call players ababona ukuthi coach, mara these guys are not offering anything is because uzamukvala thina ama-fan umlomo ukuthi I'm the coach, you guys are just the fans. Yabo? Foster had no business starting like him as well. With all due respect, Foster had no business starting like him as well. I'll also congratulate Foster, like I congratulated Uyaya. Namhlanje ngifuna ukubonisa abantu something. Congratulations to Lyle Foster for making it this far. He's proof that in life you don't have to be talented. Number one, he's proof that in life you need a lot of luck. And as Ushile, you just need to respect the coach and bow down. Maybe uphatha amabholo, uphatha amanzi, and then coach uzokuthanda and just build a relationship with the coach. Because there's no way a talented striker would find themselves in a position Lyle Foster's tolegu. We can compare him now Erling Haaland because udlala eligine one now. Mfethu Erling Haaland lama chance Foster watholayo lomjito akapitalize. We can compare him to Ikehla, Jamie Vardy. Jamie Vardy kehle lidala, but if beka kubafana ngabe ukorili izolo, he could have even scored a brace. Even Wayne Rooney bese ngamlanda ku retirement itendota uzodlala bekazoyenza izinto ezi right. uBenny McCarthy, one of the best strikers bafana has ever had. Those chances lezo Lyle Foster's tholile ama chance lawo bekumele ukuthi akorwe. So I don't understand ukuthi beka yapi, because there was a time la beka gijima no Ikram Reyners. So Ikram Reyners, it was as if bayagijimisana like bebashaya kuchuk bebaloke bajikeleza bo bayi2 lapha. And now Hugo Bruce can see ukuthi Foster is struggling. What does a smart coach do? A coach that is tactically smart on a technical team oyimamelayo, because he comes across as someone who doesn't listen to technical team yakhe. I don't think Batuli labo Helman Mkelele babo nimesta mfana. I'm sure bayamtshela ukuthi coach now uyazibonela bo, but obviously uyoba ne final say, uyoba ne final decision. Donza uFoster first half, Donza uFoster first half, ma Donza uFoster first half uya reshape. You pull uFoster ufaka police, uyamtshela police push play on the left, maqeda Donza uyaya same time khona first half faka lo mfana lo Maseko ubatshela ukuthi ntingi energy manje gents, let's run up and down. Let's take the game to these people. Labantu laba kahle bamile bayasimela ukuthi senza ama mistake, transition press, high press, boom, goal bayabuya yabona. So what you then need to do is asidlaleni le ball esilidlalayo thina South Africans, then you look back to your defense yakho, upusha lo mfana lo Tebza ukuthi Tebza, I know you're box to box player, you push Tebza, you take uMbokazi umbeka lapha no Jaden Adams bese on the lapha emuva tell uMudiba ukuthi Mudiba go far wide. I don't want you to come in. Umudiba bamshaya ngento e1 beka lokangena makangena uyazazi ukuthi akana pace yokuphuma. Labafana beMexico beka nakangena babeka ibhola le bamthathe bathi asiye baba. The way bayisho ngakhona lokushini nabathi gijimisa idefense nabathi asi bebambekela uMudiba asabe beka ingane mfethu efele embelekweni bebagijima naye the whole game yabo. So I think Hugo Bruce, number 1, mela azithobe azehlise. He must stop being arrogant. Number 2, he must listen. Ayikho into zokumoshela elifini. Owadu listened. When the season started, Pirates lost 2 games. So complain some supporters said, coach, don't fix it if it's not broken. Why are you not playing talent and bat? Wabuya wadlalisa bombatha wathola ama results. Simple thing mfana. Uloch bekayo tabalaza kule game ezolo. Uloch bekayo yenza izinto zenzeke lapha. Those Mexican guys are not special. Bayodliwa futhi next game lapha. Ayikho into abayenzayo, but ke bawuthulile ama bragging rights. They won the opening game ye World Cup front of billions against iBafana Bafana.
Ime Ocon ukhulume nemedia after a game. Uthe balwile, bazamile, and then bekafuna ukulwela umndeni wakhe ne country yakhe, yabo? So
which country?
So ngilwele usho kanjalo amagama I'm just quoting.
Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi which country
udlalela yipi country?
Oh Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, so kusho ukuthi ulwele country yakhe. uSibisi uthi uSibisi uthe abadlalanga bad lapha na kuBafana Bafana, just nje babe nama mistake a few. Amagama kaSibisi lawa straight yabo. uHugo Bruce uthe we only struggle for 15 minutes kuphela, otherwise it makes Zico be desperate by frustrated. Kusho ukuthi amagama wo coach lawo ongaboni mistake kule game ezolo. Ucoach ocabanga ukuthi bebase gameini just nje babe na Mexico be desperate yakwazi ukubapunisha lapho nalapho. There was nothing about the team leba badlala nayo. Kusho ukuthi yena uHugo Bruce ubona ama positives kule game le izolo yabo. So mangimlalela ngithi uthini ngempela lo mkhulu lona yabo. Yazi uthini futhi uthi umuntu oluza ibhola uTebu Homukwena beyangabukelanga igame efana nethu, and umuntu oluza ibhola uyayasithola yabo. UHugo Bruce mangimlalela uthi uTebu uluza ibhola yabo. So uyazibona nezinto azishoyo ucoach ukuthi hayi man there's something off ngocoach yabo. Khona abanye abantu kumele bakwazi mhlambe ukumsiza ucoach because ezinye izinto ngathi akaboni futhi uyakhohlwa. De uyakhuluma ngakhona nemedia, but ngamblame kanjani umuntu ona 70.
Hey bafethu, retirement is calling. Next game, what does Bafana need to avoid?
I think abafana kumelanga baphenika, kumelanga bathuke kusengenzeka noma yini ku World Cup yabo. So there's nothing special about the Czech. Mina bafethu Czech Republic ngeke ngikwazi ukuyishintsha lento le yabo. Ngiyaxolisa bafethu. So
Czech. School is very important. Czech.
By change and igama lakhona iCzech.
recently. The last time they played the World Cup was 2006. Bebasa say Czech Republic lab.
Yeah.
So manje seba change.
No, in the 2020 ban still but we Czech Republic last time I checked.
The last time they played the World Cup was 2006. They were Czech Republic. Babuye manje seba change.
Okay. So there's nothing special about their team le ne abazodlala nayo. So bona kumele ba believe babakwazi ukuyilanda lesi team kube pound to pound. If baya consider nabo bakora, baya consider but ke bakwazi kuba balance yabo bangasabe ukuya. They have nothing to lose. And the game izoba exciting kakhulu game Korea. You know, South Korea ayina but ni Korea Republic konje bayashintsha amagama labantu laba. Ba super strong but abekho aggressive masingazama ukubakhahlela nyana ukuba aggressive sibe ne style of play esi different ukuthi siba frustrate usingathola something bafana idinga maybe just one win kuphela ukuthi advance to the next stage of the competition because angathi i80 ama number 3s are best azokwazi ukadvance so sidinga just 3 points from ama game ay2 but ke mina mangibheka i3 points angiyiboni bafethu ngoba angiboni score yabo but maybe khona i-chance so but sobona ngoHugo Broos ukuthi uzostructure kanjani uzodlalisa na abantu lapha phambili at least mele ube nama attackers ayi4 mfethu ukuthi game ibalance ngeke uattacke ngabantu abayi2 kuphela i-striker abaphambili but abantu kumele baba support bale move bonke yabo so abatholi supply right but kumele bashintshe i-starting 11 oswena police kumele baqale like lo umuntu kumele aqaleke mfethu kumele bakwazi ukuqala ngespeed because mawubheka
he's the face of Bafana
he is mawubheka abanasi speed la majita la isodlala nawo ne height but speed awana so masingasebenzisa ukuhlakanipha oswena police ne speed sabanye mebomaseko even noSibelibila ngakwazi ukucontribute yabo all out mfethu you have nothing to lose like i-global stage is advertising majita
number 1 ngifuna ukukhuluma ngeissue yakamfukeng ne uHugo Broos yambulala la mfana Hugo Broos like uyambulala umfukeng he's messing up umjida psychologically and he's doing it so well Hugo Broos like uyamqeda uyenzile ngeAfcon when umfukeng was supposed to play bekangamdlali when bafana were under pressure to win a game sekathatha yonke into umfukeng ukuthi yenza now the boy is young sekumele ukuthi avele and then everyone ku social media uzomthuka mfukeng whereas Maro coach uthathe wa apply pressure lo mfana lo angayinidi you understand so I think the next game ne umfukeng uzomela ukuthi adlale but the problem he's under pressure now makazodlala next game like in Ozonapolis sifuna adlale next game the problem he's under pressure Thapelo Maseko sifuna adlale next game problem he's under pressure Evidence Mahupa if ever maybe sit bayamqala he's under pressure so what Hugo Broos needs to avoid ne kule game le landelayo ngicela ngadefend ayeke lento le yokudefender ayeke lento le yokunyatsa ama player wethu and anyatse lento that our players can do bafethu ama player wethu abuye ukuziprove Mamelodi Sundowns ubuye win CAF eMorocco mfana la bekungekho easy khona le team leyana izame nokudlala ama mind games nabo but Mamelodi Sundowns they came through 2024 Sundowns players bahambile bayolwa le Ivory Coast saze sayithola bronze medal themba ama player wakho just trust in your players play the way kumele South Africa idlala ngakhona thina we've never defended with 5 defenders ayikho ne team kuphethe Premiership edlala ngama defender i5 ayikho even the Chiefs that day idlala ne Sundowns abadlalanga ngama defender i5 all you need to do rather pack in midfield yakho than defense yabo so for mina ngithi makaye Hugo Broos nge43 mfethu lapha emuva right back Khudiso Mudau center back yaku right kube lo mfana lo Makhanya and then left center back kube Mbokazi and then Aubrey Mudiba as left back la esiswini ungayimoshi Hugo Broos ungazixakekisi wenza izinto ongazazi play lo mfana lo uAdams umkwenu ufake nombatha because maybe uyasaba Hugo Broos ukuthi at least sibe solid nge defense why laba boy 3 umbatha nomkwena bayathanda ukushoota from outside the box and usually umbatha is much more lucky than umkwena in terms of ukora maka shooter from outside so you need someone ozokwazi ukuthatha ibhola adubule because izolo bekudubula uMbokazi ayi1 and umbatha makangena naye besikulate on the left wing dlala ngumfukeng right wing dlala ngwaPolice then striker ngoReyners because clearly Hugo Broos doesn't believe in a number 10 as the game ihamba uyamdonsa umbatha mawudonsa umbatha wenzani ufaka lo mfana lo umrimi then you take umfukeng you push him to number 10 uthi manje asibaboniseni ukuthi insimbu kanjani they predicted us playing without a number 10 and one thing that makes Mfukeng special is the ability of him playing on the wing and him also playing as a number 10 so unpredictable so masomthatha umfake as number 10 ufaka umrimi ngapha lamajita sebakhohliwe ngeleft bazofuna ukulandela umfukeng ngapha umremi yabhoboza and then uyamdonsa nayo uReyners uthi mahupa labantu bane height boy inkinga wena ukuthi usebenzise height yakho maba square amajita shale hilo wayishaya against the Kaizer Chiefs sibonisile ukuthi emoyeni uyakwazi ukwenza izinto eziright that's the only way Bafana can come back in this tournament and even make it to the knockout stages
yeah ngiyavumelana nawe mfethu ukuthi ziningi izinto ekumele zishintshe laphana for iBafana Bafana, but mentally bade amajita mawubabheka bona because yazi ngibheke ine fitness level izolo yabo esemuva mfethu nge-fitness level thina semuva into eshayayo italent isinalo but ukuba fit mfethu ku global standard sinawo ama facilities but ke kusho ukuthi asizipush enough but yeah against the Czech Republic bafethu we have an opportunity, we have a chance ukuthi sikwazi ukulwa laphana namajita but yeah
so I think mina engento enkulu ekwamele ukuthi siyenze khona manje uHugo Bruce uye kuphela ongayilethi confidence in his players. If Hugo Bruce tiwa Bulls in URC final, if Hugo Bruce akalethi i-ridings i-confidence in his players, then ama player wakhe won't be confident. Ama player ngeke azabe confident. For us players to develop i-confidence yethu and for ukuthi sikwazi ukudlala ngithi coach wenu khona for that reason ukuthi usijute ukuthi no Machance you have it in you, I believe in you, you can make it happen, you can win these games, you understand. But if coach wethu akazenzi zonke lezo zinto lezo then our players angeke baze badlale kamnandi mfana singalokho siya siringa lana ekuyivaleni kwethu. How far do you think Bafana is going to go in this competition?
Ngifuna ukuthi siye ku last 32 but ke mangibheka indlela esiqale ngayo nokudlala ukuthi if sodlala siqhubeke edlale kanje ngicabanga ukuthi kuma group stage sophuma yabo but unless if siyashintsha dlala ibhola lethu siyalazi ibhola lethu ku-attack mntu siya-attack thina siyayifaka i-pressure yabo masingadlala ibhola lethu straight umhlaba uzosibona. There was this guy bekadlalelani konje uyi-legend lapha e-UK England think bedlalela Arsenal if angilenzi iphutha yazi izolo utheni uthe iBafana Bafana inayazi ya attack umangele le Bafana Bafana leyayibonile ku World Cup yabo be expect iBafana Bafana izo surprise abantu yabo nathi sithukile because zazi iBafana Bafana attack noma kuthiwa iyageja but iya attack mfethi iya all out iya create ama opportunities iya wageja but iya create ama opportunities. So next game dlalisa ningasabi fakana ama attackers ayi5 in defending nga5 like in balance any game
yabo ayibe balance even noma nga defender nga3 man can't what do we have to lose
endebheka yabona mas defender ngabantu abayi80 thina kanje mntu usho ukuthi le team ledlala nayo opposition izo dominate position angithi bay dominate position chaza ukuthi bazo create more chances noma kuthiwa beko good enough but bazo create more chances. So thina mele sizame ukuba nama attackers amaningi also na police kumele lead kule game lenezayo but otherwise bafethu sibonge ngokusijoina lana inkulu versus Mdu live ku Omni Audio. Niyabona ukuthi ngishaye in bafethu eKapa so man yani kulona kune description lana enhlika khona and then ya straight bafethu ku Kapa la nizozitholela i-merchandise right emnandi esoft nikhumbula ama real champions umthoba inhliziyo lona bafethu yabo
no bafethu mina before sivala bengifuna nje ukusho ukuthi Mbekizeli Mbokazi special. Mbekizeli Mbokazi for me is the face of Bafana Bafana. Mbekizeli Mbokazi for me is the face of South African football. Have you seen how each country nabaveza like maybe mabazo with Argentina versus Brazil babeka their key players and then Brazil bazobeka uNeymar mhlambe Argentina ibeka uMessi. I think for us South Africa mele sibeka uMbokazi usirepresente kamnandi umjita. He tried uzamile izolo ukufaka amajita egamini kunala shabu Ikram Renas ngama long pass bastruggle ngokwabo kunala beka shooter. He made the right tackles. Umbekezeli Mbokazi akadingi nokuthi umboost ngeconfidence. It's as if umuntu ongenayo at the back of his mind udlala njengomuntu ona something ayidlalelayo. You understand? The moment angena grounding it's as if unalento ukubone ma umjita maybe you have a family emele ukuthi uyinakekele uthi nanoma uvuka ekseni uthi mina abantwana abamele badle udlala njengalo umjita lo ngathi udlalela irent mfethu bese nokudlala namajita afana nabo Mbokazi sasebancane eparkini bese isikhaba leza bodwa namasathi ushayitsa amayete sicathula ikore because yona ifuna imali yokugibela kusasa eSpanini yabo uMbokazi udlala ngathi udlalela imali yerent and lento leyo makes him a special player. He's so hungry ukuhlula even ama player that are better established than yena abo Foster nabo yaya. He's hungrier than the coach. For me now if yangibuza mfana next game ngigayibhande lentwana I take that risk ngithatha uMbokazi ngimuphi ibhande ngithi njami this team is yours. No disrespect Ronwin ngimtshela ngithi Mbokazi eyakho le team faka la majita lawa egamini and then next game usifisa ukukhuluma into ebalekile izolo athi when you are playing at that stage kufana nokudlala iSotho Derby as a team you always need an icebreaker. Yini icebreaker yethu thina ama South African it's amaya faka umfuke ngangena shaya umuntu eyi1 ngevala lo muntu asithela bhekele singene egamini siyadlala but Hugo Bruce is not allowing us to play our game. He's not allowing us to play according to our strengths wethu. He's embracing our weaknesses wethu and that's what's affecting iBafana Bafana. So Mbekezeli Mbokazi yena ngiyamcongratulate number 1 because he's talented. Number 2 discipline in terms of ukudlala angazi impilo ayiphilayo off the pitch sengiso ukudlala igame yakambekezela imbokazi discipline lo mfana mfethu he hardly gets a foul lo mfana lo kukancane uze bathi ushaya itekile wakwaba ifoul ziyenzeka because umuntu sometimes wenza ama mistake but they can learn a thing or two from him. Unfortunately, Sbisi, as much as Sbisi leader yake, big captain yake, Sbisi now has to learn from Mbogazi. Sbisi now has to listen to Mbogazi. So if we are considering a future captain for Bafana Bafana, Mbogazi is the right man. If we're looking for a face for Bafana Bafana, Mbogazi is the right man. And I hope next game also score a goal because clearly la papambila magola weko. Other than that, thank you, Cerealist Breakfast, Nisbonel. I'm a Bulls. I got my final. Thank you.